Hi friends, welcome back to Share It. This is Karthik. Share your knowledge as possible as you can. Today we are going to talk about share market. Is share market a gambling? This question is still there in a lot of people's mind. So we are going to answer this question. First of all, we are going to see what a share market is. Say for example, you're going to start a business or you're going to expand your business. You have 10 lakh of capital in your hand and you still need 10 more lakhs. So either you may approach a friend and ask him to invest in your company, or you can search for a partner. Instead of that, you can have public invest in your company, which is the concept of share market. So when public invest in your company, they become the investors of your company and you are going to give them equity shares. So whenever you gain profit, you will be dividing that profit and give it to them in the name of dividends. This is the entire concept of share market, and this is actually a big concept which cannot be explained completely in a short video. But I'm trying to explain why people are thinking that it is a gambling. Most of the people who come into share market, they think like their money will be doubled or tripled in a short period of time. And that is the mistake that people do. And that is the reason why many people make losses inside share market. So, better have a good thinking, and share market is not a place to double or triple your money in a short period of time. It is a place where you are getting an investment. I mean, you are investing in a company and you become a partner of that company. And when the company grows, when the company gains profit, you will also gain profit. So you have to get invested, stay invested for a long period of time. Only then you will have a good result. Otherwise, you will be thinking share market as a gambling only. In India, we have two exchanges in the stock market. One is NSE and BSE. NSE is National Stock Exchange and the index is Nifty. BSE is Bombay Stock Exchange and the index is Sensex. So we have 1,328 companies getting listed under NSE and more than 5,000 companies listed in BSE. So what this means is this many companies have public shareholdings. That is the reason they are listed here. And we have Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, which is controlling this exchanges. So we don't have to worry about our money that is invested. Everything is properly invested in companies and everything is being monitored by the government authoritative board, which is SEBI. So in NSE, it has 50 top 50 companies on which the index will be monitored, which is Nifty, and for BSE it is Sensex. So when you talk about market, knowledge is power in share market. So whatever you know inside the market, you have to do. Otherwise, you should not enter the share market. Learn the market first and then invest. Don't get greedy. You cannot make money immediately. It will take time. It will be slow and steady. Control your mind. You don't do intraday trading without proper knowledge. The broker may give 10 times, 20 times money. If you go without any control and if you feel greedy, then you will lose all your money. So the first thing is psychologically control your mind. Only then share market is a good place for you. Calculate the risk and returns. So when you put your money in bank, you will get 5% of returns as of now. So when you put it in share market, you should get a better returns. That's how you should think. Only then share market will give you gains. So think before you invest. Do not invest blindly. Do not trust anyone. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.